Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I'm gonna learn uh, English. I'm gonna take my test using DeepSeek. Let's see how it goes. So from here, I'm gonna type hi, and I want to give a test of parts of speech and ask 20 questions related to this topic. Okay, sure. Below are 20 questions to your knowledge of parts of speech. Each question will focus on identifying or understanding nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Let's begin. Question number 1. Identify the nouns in the following sentences. The cat jumped. Scoring. Okay. Ask questions one by one, because I cannot answer like that. So it would be like I'm giving a test in my school, so it will feel something like that. So that's why I need this. But before doing that, let me change it here, so it will be better, I think. Good. Identify the nouns in the following sentences. The cat jumped over the fence. So identify the noun. Cat and fence are the nouns. Great job. Correct answer. Cat and fence are both nouns. Good. What is the second question? What part of speech is the word quickly in this sentence? She ran quickly to catch the bus. Quickly is the adverb. This is an adverb. Okay, absolutely correct. Yo. Quickly is an adverb because it describes how she ran, modifies the verb. And now the question number 3. Which word is a pronoun in this sentence? They went to the park together. The word they is pronoun in this sentence. Correct answer. They is a pronoun because it replaces a noun. Okay. Question number 4. Identify the verbs in this sentence. Verb or verbs. The teacher explained the lesson and answered the questions. Okay. There are no explained and answered. Both the words are used as a verb. Okay, perfect. Correct answer. Question number 5. What part of speech is the word beautiful in this sentence? She wore a beautiful dress to the party. So beautiful is an adjective. Beautiful is an adjective. Sorry. Absolutely correct. Thank you. Question number 6. Which word is an adverb in this sentence? He spoke loudly during the meeting. Which word is an adverb in this sentence? He spoke loudly. The word loudly is an adverb here. Spot on. Correct answer. Question number 7. Identify the prepositions in this sentence. The book is on the table. Beside the lamp, there are two prepositions. There are two prepositions in this sentence. The first one is on, and the second one is beside. Okay. Correct answer. Question number 8. What part of the speech is the word and in this sentence? She bought apples and oranges from the market. This is conjunction. Yep, conjunction. Question number 9. Which word in an interjection in this sentence? Which word is an interjection? Wow, obviously wow. Great. Question number 10. Identify the adjectives in this sentence. The tall man carried a heavy box. I think the tall man and carried a heavy box. Tall and heavy. Okay, tall and heavy, both adjectives because they describe nouns. Okay, good. Question number 11. What part of the speech is the word under in the sentence? The dog hid under the bed during the storm. This is preposition. Okay, earlier I was writing the whole sentence and now I'm writing just a word. It is also correct. Which word is a conjunction in this sentence? I wanted to go, but it was too late. But only but, because I also have to add the columns, right? So I did not add that, so absolutely correct. Question number 13. Identify the nouns of the sentence. Happiness is the key to a good life. Happiness is the key to a good life. So I think there are two nouns here. I think happiness and life. I think happiness is the key. I think key is also a noun. I'm very confused here. Key. Happiness is the key. Okay. There are three nouns here. Happiness, life, and key. Let's see. Perfect. Correct answer. Happiness, key, and life are all nouns because they are names of the things that you are states. Question number 14. What part of speech is the word run in this sentence? Obviously this is verb, as simple as that. Okay, verb. 14 questions and all correct answers. Which word is an adverb in this sentence? She carefully placed the vase on the shelf. Which word is an adverb in this sentence? Carefully. She carefully placed the vase on the shelf. Carefully. The word carefully. The word carefully. Okay. And the 16th question, identify the pronouns in the sentence. We. The first one is we. The second one is then we are going to the beach with them. 2. There's no third. Correct. 17. What part of the speech is a word? Because in this sentence, what part of the speech is the word? Because in this sentence, he stayed home because he was tired. Because he was tired. It could be conjunction. Conjunction. It is conjunction, right? 18. Which word is an interjection in this sentence? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This is the second last question. Identify the verb in this sentence. The bird chirped. The first one is chirped. Loudly in the morning. Okay, just chirped. Just chirped in this sentence. But chirped loudly in the morning. Yep. There's no other verb in here. That's just perfect. Correct. Question number 20, the last one. What part of speech is the word blue in this sentence? She painted the wall blue. She painted the wall blue. Adverb. She painted the wall blue. Almost there. Let's double check this one. This is incorrect. In this sentence, blue describes the noun. So it's actually an adjective. She painted the wall blue. Okay, I'm really sorry about that. Oh my gosh. She painted the wall. So I thought she was painting the wall, so it is a verb and she describes the verb, but no, she painted the wall and the color was blue. Sorry for that. Oh my gosh. So my score is 19 20 19 20. No, not like this. How can I? Oh, see. Great. So not like that, but okay. So I'll meet you in the next video, and take care. See you soon. Bye bye.